Yeah, peeps, so we're now entering the community of Rasile. Yeah, and the journey just started, peeps. I think we have to go through one of them area to go up. No, we have to go through one of them area, no? Nah, check. Because the last time I come over here, I through one of them area with the dock. So peeps, if the road really bring it round so, round on the back, we'll see a whole lot of graves, peeps. Like some whole heap of grave. That's where the original graveyard was. Yeah, peeps, so because the track the river did wash with the track, now we have to walk on new track, one makeshift track that was improvised by the residents. I'm showing you.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will...
Straight. Now guys, that is where we would have once walked. That's where we're coming from. You used to pick a out as a? Peeps, look at the beautiful countryside. Eh? Yeah, peeps, so we're now in Rasile and we're now on our way to see the cemetery. It's an old cemetery, 1700 cemetery, 17th century cemetery, 18th century cemetery, sorry. And I'm gonna try to see if I can find Mr. Ross's grave. Alright, as you know, we're in Ross Isle, and Mr. Ross's wife and son they were all buried in Ross Isle. Alright, so yeah, we'll see if we find a cemetery. So I'm gonna follow my peeps. Shout out to Crystal, who told me where the cemetery was. Yeah man, bless up. And at the same time, just wanna say shout out to JSay's YouTube channel. Shout out to Jamaica Yard Life. Shout out to Incredible Twins. Run over to Incredible Twins channel and subscribe to them. Alright, they're my young people. Yeah man, so shout out to Mama Jen, Jamaica and Caribbean cuisine. And I next cemetery that way. So one more around the same. So peeps, remember you can get your Elite Jamaica merch for sale with the links provided in the description below. Alright, and you can also get this one with Alex on the sleeve. Yeah, and remember, as of now till January 2021, shipping is free on all items. Peeps, right now I get afraid, you know, because yeah, we reach back in the slavery place now. Yeah man, we reach the cemetery, peeps. Like, let me show you something, guys. Go further. I know them that we look for. Okay. That is like a burial plot. We look for a cemetery. The cemetery is itself a burial plot, you know, because of the whole of the rest them buried there. You see me? Yeah. What that cover? Peeps. Our house right here. No. It's an old building. Still, I go deeper into the bush, peeps. I want to see what they're around here. You see it? Oh, I think I see it. Straight round. As you know, John Ross was married to a female German slave master, and he came about owning Rasile. This man did not kill his slaves, he did not sell his slaves, he actually gave them land. Yeah, let them work, and then he gave them land for themselves and all of that. Until the Telfers, that's over on the next side, they came and used Rasile as a burial ground. So all of Rasile was actually a cemetery back then. Yeah, peeps. So we're actually searching for the last standing part of the cemetery, the later part of the cemetery, which is actually an 18th century cemetery. Alright, so that's where I look for, peeps. So keep an eye peeled, type peeled in the comment section below. Let me know that you get this far in the video. Alright? Yeah man, you follow me. Bush? In here river. We cannot go a bush in here river. It's like a way up in a one hill reach, the river down there, peeps. Like a bush we actually have to throw stuff as it. That's the river down there, the Wild Cane River. I'm showing it from around on the other side still, peeps. So follow me. Let's turn back. Tough wait from there. You ever watch me since 411? You ever watch me since 411? Yeah, peeps, if you're interested in scary stories and all of that, you can check out Mr. Ballen channel on YouTube. That's Mr. Ballen, B-A-L-L-E-N. Yeah man, just go over there, comment on him, video them, tell him that Elite Jamaica send you over there, alright? Yeah peeps, real scary stories, and trust me, this man have a talent to tell stories. Yeah man, shout out to Mr. Ballen. Alright, place we're going out of down the like there, Westmoreland with you know. What that? Peeps, we saw one structure up there, so I'm not sure what, but it looks like it was a structure of a house. Yeah, peeps. Because Rasile is actually an abandoned community, you know. Yeah. So, we're moving on. See something down there? Grave that. House that or grave? Hold up a grave down here, someone. Hold up one there around the settle. Hold up a grave down there, so. And chop with it, you know. We don't want no white, go. Bush we not ready. One more last we can last. Peeps, one more last we can last and we done last already. The best place to go in the last is in our graveyard. Haven't you all seen movies? Yeah, peeps, you find the graveyard. This is one of the grave them. More down there? Yeah, peeps, you find the graveyard. You never see somebody excited to find one graveyard? Like, hey, yeah, we'll find the graveyard, peeps. Just hopefully we can find Mr. Ross' grave. Them say enough to call people like those, enough to call them name when they're near them cemetery or something like that. Something of the sort. So the rest of them, the peeps, not showing them. The peeps, that's one right there. One more right there that looks like a child's grave. That's one. No, that's a stone, guys. There they are. I feel like them are not tougher. More there? I don't know one year still now. I swear that me know one year. Guys, you know, I'm always excited to find stuff like this, but when I find it, like, me know I find no more. Yeah, peeps. One side, I look one tougher. More over here, sir. No, a piece of stump. I hold it for them there saying in the stone, you know. Every one of them set a stone here, we see. A grave. Where? Oh, listen. Catch it good. Record. Yeah? See it. And I think we find Mr. Ross' grave because this, as you know, Mr. Ross, he was like, what do you call it? In the block, but in the married to a German slave master. So, yeah, she was a lady. The simple minded Simon. I was saying married to a slave master. She was a lady slave master from Germany. Anyway, look at this grave, guys. Yeah, I remember we had found graves like these. How do you find graves like the metaphor?
Mount Vernon.
Mount Vernon.
Mount Vernon,
we find graves like these in Mount Vernon. And top of me, I'll show you 3 more graves where you say you have to pound when I see this. Trust me, I have not pound it. But guys, I think the person that is actually buried here, they are related to the persons buried around the other side. Because me I show you 3 more graves, peeps. Well, look, similar to this. I look like a house around here. But guys, I think this person was related to the ones buried on that side. Not showing that one there to piece. Concrete that, no? That one stone. Concrete.
Wala ano? Ako. Ano? Ngayon kinukulas na way back to river.
You watch Missing 411 Tapa? You watch Missing 411 straight to burn a book and I can't find them here and them new for them there?
You can't lose my way. No. That's something else.
No man, the chapter on the side.
No man, that's something else. I might just have something different now too.
Oh.
Sometimes I see flowers them. You got some the house. You know, sometimes I got some place and see them flowers there. Give them.
Cemetery. Yeah. Nothing to find in the cemetery.
I think I this.
You think right? With that grave there. I'll show you one grave on this.
I'm at them grave where I see a long time grave, first time grave, them what I make them.
I'm going to show you a tree around the same way. Right, hold it on that. So I'm not saying nothing to find the original unless them really bury them around this because you're not so full, is it?
Yeah.
So when I say put a full one time, you know. Now because you see it looks so now, you know.
Well, that matter look at them time there. And not some people they bury.
Alright.
Grave, you know.
Oh, they see them also, they see. You know what I say, you know. You're supposed to know what I say, but I know I cut out the... Guys, if you are still here with me right now, type, just let me know that you're here with me, alright, in the comment section below. More company because I'm afraid I'm to follow the camera. Stop recording now, is it? I'm at the end of the road now. Yeah peeps, that's a cemetery over there, but another one that we look for still. That's a modern cemetery, a family plot. So we're on our way. Yeah, man. Really old cemetery, man. Yeah, guys, so I think the cemetery that we found around here, that's the original cemetery, but I think none of them grave there. Well, the one with the triangle at top, I think that could be of some importance. Could be one of the family members buried right there. I'm gonna show you guys 3 other graves right around here, which I think they are like they are connected, so to speak, with that burial plot around here. Alright? So we're up on our way. Tougher. They're good. Up. I think I saw for them. That's one of them road I go through and yeah, them I don't want to go through. And scary house, yo. Yeah. Alright, road still. See house that over there, one house that over there, don't? House still over in the bush over there, so dog. You see it? Eh? Peeps, one house over there, and if you're not looking, you see it. You remember the house, peeps? Let me see if I can zoom in a little more. There's one house over there, sir. You go over there, Tafa? Yeah, peeps. The day you come here, beer like fog cover over there, you know, yo. You watch the video? See there? I hear so it stop, you know. Peeps, see the house there. Over there, so. Right now, my head as well, peeps. I want to reach nowhere down in the bush yet, you know. So, you come with me, you follow me. The sounds of nature, bird, you know. Donkey or cow come through shortly, you know. A while ago, you know. Give them the sum up on that side, them up on the right hand side, is it?
Right hand side.
I remember that's so for them. Peeps, yeah, I know someone house supposed to be somewhere else, you know. There's a house inside there. That's another house that was once here. Yeah, peeps. So moving on. Well, today Sunday, I think they don't in that church till. So, I'm not all that afraid. Where's the tougher? Yeah, man. Them down here, man. See what I did miss the last time I look for. The last time I did afraid. Peeps, river down there. Down there we're going. We are now gonna be seeing the wild Cane River. I don't think I miss it still, is it? It's dead down there, one. Anyhow, I miss it. So I'm not miss it, you know. We miss it up in our part yesterday. 3 of them with a cut. Over up on the flat there. Guys, and if we don't find the cemetery, the piece here where I look for, you all can watch the Rasile plantation, the video about Rasile. I'm gonna share a link in the description below, and you all will see that cemetery. Cause come like we miss it, peeps. We don't miss it, you know? We don't miss it, peeps. Round that one. You miss it, yes? You miss it, man. So guys, this is the Wild Cane River, the battery. Yeah guys, this is the Wild Cane River. It is rather small right now. I don't know how we are going to cross. A stone there have to jump, and I have on shoes. No. Yeah, I have gone, you know. I can't walk on the stone them in the river barefoot, dog. Yeah, I'm gonna catch it now. Do it again. Oh. How far? Oh, was it? Good. Good. Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah, peeps, this is the Wild Cane River. How far washing your face? Tougher. Tougher. Oh, yeah, peeps. So we're on the other side of the river, heading into a place called Duckwood Village. Yeah, peeps. And after Duckwood Village, we go back down the Mount Lebanon on the Middle Road. And yeah, so that was Rasile, peeps. Yeah, follow me. Yeah, peeps, so today we go up on a journey. We went to a place called Banana River in New Monklands. We go search for one cave. That exciting. Then we went to a place called Rasile. Go look for the grave of Mr. Ross, who was a slave master who owned Rasile, the Rasile plantation. Yeah guys, very interesting video. Watch the intro. The road they done. They say road there, you know. I don't know if reach back up some. Eh? Road there? Road not there again, man. Come here. The next road there, so dog. I did. Yes, sir.
I'm going to go back up the road.
On the road if you go on. I suppose yes, sir, you know. To go around. Yeah. Up the road where I go back, man. I find, oh, see track it down here, sir. Top house, yo. Miss Powell, no? Yeah, peeps, so we're now entering Mount Lebanos from the other side. We'll go all the way around. I see if we can get them up and draw like the journey, the route that we took just now. Alright, so yeah man, I'm showing you that. But it's been a long journey, it's been a great journey. I feel like we need the exercise. You set off?
Yeah man, good.
Good?
Exercise good boy.
Alright. So yeah man, reach back to Mount Lebanon. Let me show you all the bridge. Here's the bridge, guys, the one we drove across the other day. Blessings guys, and thanks for watching, and really appreciate the support. If you got this far in the video, please type St. Thomas in the comment section below. Alright, y'all stay blessed.
You see my walk about the road, no? It's almost man. But Jesus Christ, if man could have blown back life, maybe me was man, you know? That's all, man. I will get technology coming. But the two being man about now, man are dead. Yeah. And that's why world people. Because what? We can know we're dead before me and you born. Sure. Blood clot. You didn't see a world without it, man. You never hear nobody say them book up on blood clot can't I get enough. I know you up. Yes, yes. And you have some place where you can't go need that. Oh.
Yeah, what's that?
Blessings guys, and thanks again for joining. If you all got this far in the video, please type the word Mount Lebanus. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next installment. Y'all stay blessed.